Harsh and welcome to another episode of the Eco Channel. In this episode, we will be talking about green architecture. Did you know that an estimated 8,000 pounds of waste is created from a construction of a 2,000 square foot home? Well, it's true. According to the studies of National Association of Home Builders, majority of the waste is wood, cardboard, and drywall. Did you also know that concrete is one of the contributions in CO2 emissions? Cement is an important construction ingredient around the world, and as a result, cement production is a significant source of global carbon dioxide, making approximately 2.4% of global CO2 emissions from industrial and energy sources. Next up, we have a Harvard graduate environmentalist, Antonio, who will explain the benefits of green architecture. And then we have a random smart bum named Tin, who will explain the negative aspects of green architecture.
Some of the most valuable aspects of green architecture are the energy efficiency usage, which can be minimized to 50% less energy consumption, 39% less carbon dioxide emissions, 40% less water usage, and 70% less production of solid waste. An example of this is a green roof. Green roofs can reduce the environmental impact of a structure by minimizing the pollution from the structure's power usage. At the same time, this also helps to reduce the city's heat. The city of San Francisco has already started to implement the usage of green roofs. In 2008, the California Academy of Science reopened its doors after years' worth of green architecture innovations done to most of the structure. The usage of green roofs and green architecture can also benefit the environment by cutting back on the stormwater runoffs. Green roofs have the capacity to hold water, which in turn can reduce water pollution that mixes with the sewer system. The commercial and residential building sector accounts for 39% of carbon dioxide emissions in the United States per year, more than any other sector. U.S. buildings alone are responsible for more CO2 emissions annually than those of any other country except China. Most of these emissions come from the combustion of fossil fuels to provide heating, cooling and lighting, and to power appliances and electrical equipment. By transforming the built environment to be more energy efficient and climate friendly, the building sector can play a major role in reducing the threat of climate change.
We will be right back after this short break. Did you know a single plastic bag can take up 500 years or longer to degrade? Every year, Americans use approximately 102.1 billions of plastic bags, creating tons of landfill waste. So it's best to go green and save money by reusing grocery bags that aren't made out of plastic or paper. Welcome back to the Eco Channel. Up next is Tin, who will explain the negative effects of green architecture.
It is without doubt that the positive said by Antonio does his job in minimizing the harmful impacts done to our environment and our health. However, nothing in this world is perfect, even as something as wonderful and amazing and admirable and incredible and magnificent and marvelous and outstanding and remarkable and wondrous and sensational and fantastic and breathtaking and impressive and praiseworthy as green architecture. Hello everyone, my name is Tin, a homeless bum off the street, and I'm here to talk about the negative aspects of green architecture and what's preventing it from becoming commonplace. Do you guys know what LEED is? LEED stands for Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, and it is one of the most well-known green building certification programs worldwide. Once a building is up to LEED standards, they get a certification showing that it's energy efficient and environmentally friendly. However, it has been shown time and time again that LEED is a perfect example of greenwashing, a practice where a company tries to appear more environmentally friendly than they actually are. There have been many cases where LEED certified buildings have been using up more energy than other buildings. Not only that, building green architecture uses up a lot of money, and building it requires very good planning to properly use its natural resources effectively.
When it comes to finding an eco-friendly home, it's always best to do your research. Don't be fooled by homes that are certified by LEED, and make sure that the design was based on its surrounding environment and that the materials are eco-friendly or recycled. Even though the cost of owning a greenhouse can be high, it'll be worth the investment because of its energy efficiency. Green homes are sustainable and durable and save the cost of replacement and regular maintenance. They can also be a benefit to your health. Instead of recycling stale indoor air, fresh outdoor air is continuously brought into the home, promoting a healthier indoor environment. The more greenery your house is surrounded by, the more cleaner the air will be. Green architecture is one step into saving what's left for our future generation. We should remember that we are held accountable for our actions, and if we don't act now, the problem will keep getting worse each year.